Hey, good morning, guys. So this is Jabdul Media. Today we're going to go about the new Venom task. That's the CHAINSPOT. So stay tuned while I guide you through how to go about the task. It's very simple actually, but sometimes the network do have a glitch, but it's very simple. So let's begin. Once you enter the Venom website, that's Venom.network, just go down to the task you're supposed to do the CHAINSPOT and follow the account. Yeah, so after following the account, come down to the main second task to do and connect your wallet. You can start by connecting your MetaMask wallet, which I just did. Then you connect your Venom extension if you're using Chrome, or if you're using another browser. Yeah, once you connect, you're supposed to claim the CST token. So you click this claim button here to load you to your MetaMask. So there's a little gas fee you're supposed to pay, I think $0.017. Transaction confirmed. Yes, you can see it's showing on my balance right now. So you can just click 5 or any amount to swap. Sign and proceed. Yeah, you sign the request. So it do take some times because of network or because of where you are, the traffic and everything. So when signing, just leave this the way it is. Just scroll down, click next. Approve. So you leave it to load at this point in time. Yeah, you can see the transactions being confirmed. You have to approve this request too. Still having some little charges that you pay, that's gas fee. Confirm. You can see the transactions being confirmed. So wait a bit now for it to confirm. As you can see, the transactions is having 30 confirmation from the BSC network. Then it will come down to the Venom network, that's the testnet network, to confirm. It will ask you to input your password. Confirm transaction. And we're good to go. So it's just finishing up right now. Yeah, it's confirmed now. You can go back to your Venom task and check. Yeah, you can mint your NFT now. Input your password. Confirm transaction. Yeah, your NFT is minted. So everyone, thanks for tuning in to Jabdul Media. Before we wrap up this video, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to all of you for your support. Your likes and comments mean the world to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And before we say goodbye, I also want to give a special shout out to a fantastic community that has been making waves online, Venom Nigeria. This community is all about bringing passionate individuals together, sharing knowledge and spreading positivity about Venom Testnet. If you are interested in amazing content, engaging discussions and a supportive network, be sure to check out Venom Nigeria. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can join their community and be a part of something truly special. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you once again for being awesome viewers. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.